Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Media once again. I know since a long time I didn't upload any videos because of my some personal problem. I wasn't able to upload any kind of videos, but still now, I will be continue with my videos. Okay, so from now I will continue with my technical videos like Photoshop, like Illustrator, like any other softwares and technical videos. Okay, so in today's video I will teach you how to remove a background from an image. Okay, today we are going to use this image, and by pen tool we are going to remove the background of this image. Okay, for that we need to start Photoshop. This is Photoshop CS6. I will recommend you to use this version. Why? Because this is very handy version. After that doesn't need to you. If you are doing many heavy work in graphic design or any other kind of motion graphics, then you can use that version. But I think Photoshop CS6 is enough for you. This is give you very advanced and modern tools, and that's are enough. Doesn't matter for this kind of things. So let's took the image. This format is not supportable. For that you need to open Paint. Just put into the Paint and save it. Now see, well, this is not working. Let's try another thing. I'm sorry. Let's give this image a new name. Okay, now let's try to open this one. Otherwise we have other ways. Let's find. I have lots of image. We got the image. Now it is working. Check the resolution. I will suggest you to put the resolution in 150. Beg your pardon. Now just simply press P for pen. Okay, now you have to trace the image. So how you will trace the image? Start from a point. For example, let's took the point over here and curve it, trace it. Okay, after every note you need to press Alt. When you press Alt, you can see the change of the pen tool. Okay, look, before Alt, now Alt. You can see the arrow type of a icon is appearing at the bottom of this pen tool. Just left click over here and that anchor will be vanish, and you are able to put another curve. Okay. So you have to just put curves. It depends on you how accurately do you want to curve it. Okay, when you stuck a situation like this, you took a wrong curve, what you can do? Press A. By A you can put your curve in a right position. Press P once again. As I said, how accurately do you want? Okay, A once again. P. Before that, I show you how to remove a background without using Photoshop. That is also usable, but sometimes you need to use Photoshop manually because that softwares or that kind of removal softwares are not able to remove exactly that you want, because their AI are working in a logarithm, sorry, an algorithm. So they have limit, they have, that algorithm has limitation. So at that point you have to use Photoshop. So that was I am showing you this. As much you zoom the image, you can see the accuracy, but currently I'm just showing you, so I'm doing a little bit of fast. I have little bit of experience to remove one background or any kind of other graphic stuff, so that wise it's look that I'm doing perfectly. But as I said, how much you will zoom, accuracy will become more beautiful. I took this leaf of hair and I'm taking these curves. If you can create curves, then you are able to use pen tool perfectly. You just need to create curves. Okay, you are just tracing the outline of the image. Look, I'm totally half done. Sorry guys, my throat has a problem, that was I am scrolling sometimes. I think 2 curves I need. Press Alt, click the point. I need to use A. By the way, A tool is I just taking the tool over here. I just taking this tool, pressing A. So if you want, you can take from here manually. Okay, this curve is perfect. I need to put the curve over here and press P again, click over here and took the last. And what I can do, I need to close this polygons. Okay, now the polygons are closed totally and image are traced. What you will do, just took the pen tool into that closed polygon and click on right click and do make selection. Okay, now it is make selected. Press, now I am showing you something that I don't think no one will show you. Press or select the rectangular tool. You can press M to select rectangular tool and refine edged. What the refine edge does, I will show you. Radius, let's give radius, I think this is this. Smoothness, feather. Now watching what happening. Feather, smoothness, shift edge. Let's reduce the shift edge. Okay, contrast doesn't matter. Shift edge. From here, what it does, it will refine your edges. That means it will smooth your edges. When I curve it, it was a little bit of sharpie. Now it's become smooth. Okay, now select a new layer over here from output and press OK. Now your background is removed. Press Ctrl N for a new layer. default Photoshop settings. I have multiple backgrounds. Let's choose this one. This is just for example, so please don't judge that the image, that the background is not good or this is not suitable with the image. I'm just showing you the example. Okay, look, background is totally changed. Doesn't matter how many background you want to give, like this or this. So these are totally amazing. What happens sometimes when you're using a web tool to removing a background, that artificial intelligence not able to remove exactly what you want. Okay, like this kind of things will happen with the artificial intelligence. So what you can do, press B for brush, sorry, E for eraser, and from here I can decrease the opacity and I can clean it up little bit by the using this kind of tools. As I said, how accurately you will remove your background, it will be look that much of realistic. So if I do a not good look, so for this I will press S for just a minute. I will press S for clone tool. What I can do, I can took the hair from here and I can remove that part. Okay, I can remove this part easily. So that's all guys. Please do like, share and subscribe, and this kind of videos will be continue from now. Thank you very much.